Hello and welcome back to my cave. Today is a big day because we're working on stages 19 and 20. The chassis. Also screws and the chassis itself, which is metal and heavy. But we also need bag 18, which is the speaker and the circuit board. First up, we take the speaker and put it right in that place, and that is held in with 3 HM screws that have a flange on them. Since it is going into metal, I am dipping them into a little bit oil. Like so. Then we take the circuit board and put it like so. Line up the post and put 4 BM screws. Like so. Careful not to tighten these too much. Then we take all of the wires, put them between the posts, like so, and secure this bracket down with AM screws, like so. And that is stage 19 complete. Then for stage number 20 we get 2 more cover plates and a bracket. This is metal and this big one is also metal, and this bracket is also metal, and we get a boatload of screws. First we take this panel and put it underneath like so, and then we need 4 IM screws to hold it together. Then we just tighten these up like so. Now it's gonna get bigger because now we take the front chassis that we have been working on until now and just line it up like so, and then we use 4 of the big CM screws. We put 2 in the center, and then we put a screw on each wheel arch, securing it to the main chassis. Tighten these up and the 2 in the middle. And now we have a kinda rolling chassis. And the entire chassis is complete. Then we take this steering column bracket and put it like so, with the high side facing backwards, and put a BM screw on either side. Like so. Then we flip the car over on its back and we place this bracket like so, joining these two pieces, and these use a BM screw like so, and tighten these down. Like so. Then it's time for a little bit of electric. Then we take this wire from the battery box, which is black and red, and find a matching wire and just these just line up like this. Then we take the yellow speaker wire and the yellow wire from the circuit board and connect those two together. Like so. Click into place. Finally, you turn our attention to the back side, and we need the engine that we did a few stages ago, and that just fits from below oil hose always goes haywire like so, and this is secured with 4 IM screws from below. So we turn it upside down again. Use this plastic to hold it up. Then we just tighten these, and that is stage 20 complete. I'm gonna show you this like this. Doesn't fit in my camera, but yeah, this is stage 20 complete and pack 3 complete. So I will see you when the next pack arrives, or any other builds. So see ya.